evening, Pastor. Pastor, I actually came to make an inquiry. I don't know if you organize funeral services for dear ones. You know, I actually have a very big loss.
Oh, sorry for the loss.
Thank you, Pastor. Thank you, Pastor. I am actually here to ask if you can have a funeral for my dog.
God forbid. Your dog? What kind of rubbish is that?
I'm sorry.
No. This is the house of God.
Pastor, I'm very
My house shall be called the house of prayer. How will you come here and tell me to do a funeral service for your dog? God forbid. What will my members say? I don't know myself. You people don't have the fear of God.
Pastor, I just came to make an inquiry. Please, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to offend you, Pastor. I'm very sorry.
That is
Very
rubbish.
sorry.
That is rubbish. Don't try that rubbish again.
Yes, Pastor.
No, don't try that.
I'm sorry, Pastor.
You know what? There is one church down there.
Okay.
They just opened newly about 3 months ago.
Okay.
Maybe the pastor will help you do funeral service for your dog. But for here, God forbid, I can't do it in my church. What will I tell my members?
I'm sorry, Pastor. I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to offend you.
It's all right.
Pastor.
You can go.
Thank you, Pastor.
Go.
Thank you. Sorry, Pastor. I'm sorry. Do you know if they will accept $500 million?
Jesus Christ. 500 million US dollar?
Yes, Pastor.
Oh my goodness. You are welcome. God bless you. We do it every day here now. Why don't you tell me that your dog is a born again Christian? Why don't you tell me that your dog is a born again Christian? The poor creature who have no mother, no father. We bury dog every day. Last week we buried 4 dogs. Bring the dog. Let me do the poster now. Bring the dog. Let me do the poster. Or should I give you land to bury the dog?